Apat sila guys, turmeric, ginger, honey, and lemon. So let's drink for good for cough and cold. So let's drink guys. Apat sila guys, turmeric, ginger, honey, and lemon. So let's drink for good for cough and cold. So let's drink guys. Ang sarap. Perfect. Ang sarap ng blend niya guys. Nagpasarap yung lemon. Saka yung honey, tama lang yung sweet. So, yung spicy ng turmeric and ginger, perfect sa lemon. So, let's drink. Meron kasi akong sipon at tubo. So, tapos na akong uminom ng gamot at hindi pa natanggal. So, mag-try ako ng turmeric, ginger, lemon, tea. Wow. So, thanks for watching. Try nyo to guys. Maganda. Maganda yung benefits, anti-inflammatory. So, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.